in today's video we will discuss about SharePoint Online Modern People web part. So this is a small but very useful web part where you can display user information. I will show you that with a demo. And if you are coming first time to the channel, my name is Vijay and I am a Microsoft MVP in SharePoint. I welcome you to the channel, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I'll upload videos on SharePoint, Office 365, Power Platform and lot more other videos also I will upload. Now let me open a SharePoint Online Modern site. So if you will see here, this is a SharePoint Online Modern site. By the way, yesterday I recorded a video on SharePoint Online Quick Link web part, and you can see here, this is here, and I will put the link in the video description. You can have a look at that. Now I will click on edit. So this is basically the option where you can edit a page. So this is a modern page. I'll click on edit, and this is a modern team site. And here if you'll just hover it, you can see there is a plus icon which is saying add a new web part in column 1. So basically click over there and then you can search for people. So once you search for people, you can see here, this is the people web part. People profile, you can see you can either provide the name or email address. For example, I will provide a name here, you can see, and also you can see it is showing me another option where you can add multiple names here. For example, I'll put the name here and I can add another one. So basically this is a web part where you can add users, or you can display users in your SharePoint site. Probably let's say you are creating a team site for your team or for your project, and all your team members, you can add it somewhere in the right side, somewhere in the page, so that anyone comes to this page, they can see who all are the member of your team. Now let me just republish it. So you can see here, once you republish, this is how it will appear, and you can see here, once you just hover it, you will see all this information. So all this contact information, the user will get this, you can see here. And but if you want to, let's say you want to rearrange it, so how you can do this is you can click on edit, and then you can actually rearrange. For example, this web part, you can see here, just select it and you can see this icon, so you can just drag and put it here. Now you can see the order has been changed, and you can click on republish. You can see here, this is how it is appearing. Let me show you one more thing. So if you will click on edit and click on select this web part basically, and then click on edit web part. So you can see here, and there are two layouts are there. One is compact layout, where you can see this is just the name, photo, and the designation comes here. You can click on descriptive and you can see other information here. For example, if you will see here, now it is saying that this is the user, and you can see it is saying that you can click or you can add a profile link, and you can add a description also. For example, you can easily up to 255 characters you can add a description over here. For example, I will say Vijay, something like this. So you can see here, and up to 250 characters you can write, not more than that. And similarly, you can click on add link, and you can actually provide the URL. For example, I will put here, for example, I will say spguides.com, and you can say spguides.com, the text to be displayed. So you can click on save. Now you can see here, you'll be able to see this information also, and you can use the same icon, you can see here, if you want to change the order. And now if you will republish it, you can see here, this is how it is appearing now. The user, the name, then the designation, then the link that you have provided, profile link, and then a short description about the user. So this is how you can use the people web part in SharePoint Online Modern site. Whether it is a team site or communication site, you can use both ways this web part. And if you want similar kind of videos, then kindly subscribe to the channel, as I said. So you'll get a lot of free videos on Office 365, SharePoint, SPFX, Power Platform, and all these things. So thank you and have a nice day.